By the way, when you give us
Sit. Take a look. Yes, go. Take a look up at the TV screen. Sit. What do you notice about this problem? There's missing numbers. I wonder how you're going to solve that. Do you need division?
No. I did it.
Can you figure this out by saying 3 or 30 times what equals 240?
Yeah.
Do you need division to do that?
No.
Logan, scoot forward. Don't do that.
I got the answer. Me too. Wait.
3 times what equals 24?
8.
Okay, fire up. If you find the missing number, fill in the rest of the area model.
Okay. One thing is there's a lot more zeros, and you're taking away zeros.
Is that true?
No. No.
Emily, think about it.
What was that?
If you found the missing number, solve it. Be prepared with an answer.
Wait, do we have the answer missing number, or do we fill in the rest?
Do all of it. So you'll have 2 answers. You'll have the missing number, and then you'll have the actual answer to the problem.
You just told us the missing answer.
I did. You're right. So everyone should have it correct.
My mom, she taught me this.
With the 9s. Are you sure about that? Are you sure about that? Evan, when I say, or when I ask you to, you're going to come up here and do it on the board. Are you sure about that? How many zeros do you see that you need there? Emily? Huh? Do you already have that one? Do you need another one there? Okay, move on. Finish the rest of the problem. Are you sure about this? Ellie? Are you sure about that? Evan, can I have you take your marker up to the board? Using your teacher voice, explain what you did.
I did 7 times 3, which is 21. And then I added 2 zeros.
Why did you add 2 zeros?
Because there's 0 in the 70 and then 0 in the 3.
So you're really multiplying it by what? You're really multiplying 21 by what?
By 100.
By 100, thank you. Okay.
And then I did,
Will you draw your box? Finish drawing your boxes.
yeah. And then I
Draw on your line. The lines on your box. Draw those in.
And then I did, once I did doing that, I put 2 and 3 here.
Because the 200 is not 248. They gave you that. Okay.
And then I did 3 times something in 48. And then I said 3 times 8. And then I got
3. So 3 times something equals 24.
And I got 3 times 8 is 24. And then I add the 0.
Why did you add the 0?
Because there's a 0 and a 30.
So what are you really doing?
24 times 10.
24 times 10. Okay, thank you.
I did 9 times 7.
Is?
63.
Okay. And then what?
And then I added the 0 from the 70.
Which you're really doing what?
63 times 10.
63 times 10. Okay, then what?
I did 9 times 8.
Is?
70. 72.
Okay.
And I add them up.
Okay, so he filled in all of his boxes and now he's adding them up. So he's 2,100 plus 240 plus 630 plus 72. Do you agree with him so far? Show me.
Yep, I agree with that. I got 3,042.
His answer was 3,042. Do you agree?
I agree.
I see some agreement. Thank you. Clear your whiteboard. Emily, does that make sense? I have another question for you. It looks very similar. What are you missing? Find out what you're missing. Shh, don't say it out loud. I want this one to be done without talking so that you don't give your partners your answer. Yeah, sure. Do this one without talking so you don't give your partner your answer.
I know what the missing number is. The missing number is
Awesome. So what times 80 will give you 480? Don't say it out loud. That's what you should be trying to figure out. There you go. Do you want to share? Yeah. Okay. Go ahead. Go up there. Clean off the space on the whiteboard. Hold on. Just wait. We're going to wait a second. Try to finish up in 10 seconds, and then we're going to have Ben explain what he did.
no.
Hmm? Okay, Ben, let's go. Using your teacher voice, explain to us what you did. Yep. So he has his area model. He filled in the numbers that he knew. He has 70 and 80. 6 on the side.
These are still.
Okay.
So I know that 6 times 4 equal so 8 times, I think that 8 times 6 equals 48. So then I added the 0, and that was 480.
Can you, write that equation? What did you do? So he said 8 times 6 is 48, times 10 is 480. Do we agree?
Yep.
Okay.
Yep. And 6 times 7 was 21, I think.
Oop, are we sure? 6 times 7. 6 times 3 is 21. Or 7 times 3 is 21.
Really close to 80. 70 is really close to 80.
If half of 6 is 3 and 7 times 3 is 21, how can you get, if you double 3, you get to 6. So if you double 21, so he said that 6 times 7 is 42. And then he multiplied 42 by 10. Do you agree? Go. Do you agree? Yes? No?
Yes.
Okay. Next.
And then 6 times 6 was 36. Yep. So
I appreciate how you're writing the equations you're using down in the bottom of the box.
that is 5,600, 480, 420, 36.
So he added 5,600 plus 480 plus 420 plus 36. Do we agree so far?
Yes. So that was 6 plus 4 is 10, and then 4 plus 1 equals 5, so that would equal 15. And then I put the 1 here, and then that was it. And then I added those two, and I got 6,530.
Do you agree?
Yes.
Can you, before you sit down, I have one more thing to ask. Can you show what you just did in your area model? Can you write that in a multiplication equation?
Like the actual question.
Yep. Can you write the actual question? It wasn't given to you. I want to know what it was. 76 times 86 equals what?
6,536.
6,536. Thank you so much. You may go sit down.
Good job, Ben.
Okay.
Don't use your hands. I'm not using drops.
Okay. I have an exit ticket for you. I have an exit ticket for you. I'm going to pass it out. I want you to do your work on the back. Only the answer goes on the front.
Where do we put this?
Work on the back, answer on front. You can keep your whiteboard out if you think you need it. You don't have to. You may put it away. Evan,
We use our whiteboard.
you may use your whiteboard if you want to. You do not have to, but if you would like to, you may.
Wait, do we have to put the little
Work on the back, answer on the front.
Can we work on the whiteboard? Do you want to? My one.
I would like to see your work on here. That way, if you make a mistake, I know where to find it.
Okay.
So the work goes on the back. No work on whiteboards. I changed my mind. No work on the whiteboards.
Because what?
Your work goes on the back, answer goes on the front. So if you make a mistake, I can find it. Okay, I'll wait for you to be quiet.
Can I fill up my water? Oh, thank you.
Work on the back, answer here. Do it here. If you make a mistake, I want to be able to see it the first time.
You can't do a whiteboard and then you turn it.
Nope. Do all of your work on the back here. No, back. Thank you to Kennedy's table. They're showing me that they are ready. Yes, as soon as you have it, you may begin. Work on the back. Work goes on the back. Only the answer goes on the front. Please use the area model to solve these problems. Please use the area model to solve these problems. Work goes on the back. Answers on the front. Work is on the back. So if you make a mistake, I can catch it. Sure your name is on these papers. Yep. Work on the back, answer on the front. Let's go. I already gave you one today. Sorry.
Do we have to check our work?
If you have time, absolutely.
Oh, come on.
You can go sharpen your pencil. There you go. Let's go. You only have a few minutes. Nope, just the answer. I want just the answer on the front.
Can we write or check our work on the front?
No. If you're going to check your work, do it on the same spot on the back. Let's go. Keep working. Ben. How to do what? Multiplication. Okay, don't rely on this one though. Use that one.
It was taking me.
Keep going. You have to finish all three of them in about 5 minutes. Let's go. Okay, let's go. Add them up. Keep going. And get them all done, okay?
What you doing?